So you're looking for a drone that's easy to use and captures amazing footage, right? Well, you're in luck because today I'm reviewing the DJI Mini drone. It's a game changer, trust me. This thing is a portable 4K drone, perfect for adult drone enthusiasts who are just starting out. It's so much fun to fly. The DJI Mini drone is a fantastic little device. It's a camera drone that's designed to be super easy to use. Even if you've never flown a drone before, it's got a really gentle learning curve. So, let's take a look at the specs. It weighs in at just 249 grams, which is crazy light. It can shoot in 4K resolution, which is amazing. It can handle winds of up to 38 kilometers per hour, and it's got a transmission range of 10 kilometers, which is insane. It also comes with 2 batteries, and the total flight time is 62 minutes, which is plenty of time to get some great footage. I've been using the DJI Mini drone for a while now, and I've got to say, it's been a blast. I've taken it to the park, to the beach, and even just flown it around my backyard. It's so much fun, and the footage it captures is just incredible. The 4K resolution is so sharp and clear, and the stabilization is amazing. It's like having a professional camera crew in the palm of your hand. In real-world use, this drone is a dream to fly. It's so stable and easy to control, even in windy conditions. So, what's the verdict? Well, I've got to say, I'm thoroughly impressed with the DJI Mini drone. It's a fantastic little device that's perfect for anyone looking to get into drone photography. I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10. The only thing that's holding me back from giving it a 10 is the fact that it's not waterproof. But other than that, it's an amazing drone. I've been using the DJI Mini drone for a while now, and I've got to say, it's been a game changer for me. I've taken some amazing footage with it, and I've had so much fun flying it. I've even started to use it for some of my other projects, like filming music videos and short films. It's just so versatile and easy to use. If you're looking for a drone that's easy to use and captures amazing footage, then the DJI Mini drone is definitely the way to go. It's a great choice for beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts alike. So, if you like this review, please be sure to like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I've got some more great content coming up soon, and I don't want you to miss it. Thanks again, and I'll catch you all in the next one.